on, baby.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clay County, southern Effingham County until 8:30 p.m. At 8 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mason, or 11 miles southwest of Effingham, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Watson around 8:05 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 142 and 156, Interstate 70 between mile markers 79 and 86,